boy. Hey, what's up? I'm the one and only your girl, Lydia Jasmine Elje. Ngamba saba. Banange subscribing ku SMX Media. Yes, catch all your latest gossip abayimbi abakabi buli kimu mubeereko mwekumireko. Happy New Year mbagala nnyo.
Poliisi evuddeyo n'egumya Abannayuganda ku bubbi bw'abo Abanyakula amasimu mu bitundu bya Kampala n'ebirinaanyeewo ebitali bimu. Akatambi ako kooli mu kulaba be bamu ku bavubuka Abanyakula amasimu mu kibuga Kampala. Era poliisi evuddeyo n'egamba yatandise ekikwekweto eky'okubeera nga egenda kuuza buli wamu owali omubbi w'amasimu. Kyokka tebalina oba balina gwiso oba balina ki. Omwana ajjawo ati mpola mpola n'abeera ng'agenda bw'atyo esimu n'aginyakula ng'egenze nga tewaliwo ky'ogenda kubeera ng'okola nga yo simu yamaze dda okubeera nga egenda nga tewali ky'ogenda kola tewali ky'ogenda kwegamba yo ng'egenze. We batyo basobola okubeera nga banyakula obusimu wali no mu kibuga Kampala. Oluvannyuma ngenda kuleeterako ensonga ya Kyala Juliana Kanyomozi nga clarifyinga ko ebintu byonna ebibadde bigendera ddala mu maaso kubanga ayagala kubeera nga kwegamba ajjawo kyonna kye mbadde mulowooleza naddala olw'okuvannyuma lw'okuvaayo okwogera ku nsonga za Pastor Rosias Bujingo ne comment abantu engeri gye bakomentingamu byonna biroundinze up mu eno video byonna kambikuwa naye nga sinabeera nga mbikuwa kankusaba mbi subscribing ano ku SMX Media tojja kubeera nga missing updates naddala nga zino.
Hi. How are you? Ansubire muri bulungi. Ansubire weekend yabatambulidde bulungi. Ne week etandise bulungi. Nange ndi bulungi. I'm fine. I had a good day yesterday. It was a Monday, but I spent it with family. The weekend was great. And I'm still here. I want to have a little heart-to-heart with you guys. And this will probably be, the first time that maybe I speak to you on a more personal level than before. Nja kwogera mu Luzungu okusinga maybe n'Oluganda kyonna ekinanyangwira, so I hope you guys are okay with it. So, I've been seeing your messages. Ebintu byonna bye mbadde mwogera mbadde mbiraba ebimu sijaga nti byonna mbirabye kubanga byabadde bingi. It was a lot. But I feel like waliwo some underlying issues probably. Those are zitutusiza wano wetuli as a country, and I hope that in time, that will heal all of us. It's not in my power individually to heal an entire country. I can't do that. But what I can do is listen to you and you listen to me. That's the only way we can heal each other, by hearing each other, by speaking to each other like human beings and not using, insulting language because okuvuma kubadde kufuusa okuvuma, which is fine kubanga abantu babeera ne different ways of expressing their frustration. Nze omuntu ayinza okunyiiza n'ensirika, omulala n'omunyiiza n'akuvuma, omulala n'omunyiiza n'akukuba. We're different. So buli omu waddembe okukozesa what they're comfortable with to speak what they feel. I really hope this video tewanvu ennyo kuba saagala kubalwisaawo. I know you're busy, but I'll try and keep it brief. But yeah, people have different ways of expressing their anger, and I don't blame you. And I hear you, bogamba nti mwina obusungu. Nkitegeera, nkiwulira. Nange nina ebinnuma ku mutima ng'omuntu. Nyinza okuba nga ndi eno nga maybe mwina mwe mundaba oba nga mwina, bwe mutulaba ffenna celebrities and you think life is perfect, It's not. it's the same as yours. Naffe tubeera ne challenges ezifaanana oluusi ng'ezammwe, oluusi ezammwe zisingako ez'abalala, oluusi nange nenfunayo ezisinzeeko ez'abalala. Buli omu abeera ne byayitamu, you know. But the only way that we can start moving to a better place, a better country, gye mugamba gye mwagala, tujja kutuukayo when we learn to speak to each other properly, when we don't use abusive language. Kubanga bw'ononvuma, fine, you'll enjoy it in that moment. Ojja kunvuma oyuze nga wembadde mugaka yuze. Naye when you're done, bw'omala okunvuma, then what? Then what's going to happen? Tuzakoki. So for me, that's my approach to the situation. Musobola okunvuma week number, omwezi kyonna kye mwagala. But is that going to solve our problems? I want to just give you a little backdrop on my life. Yeah. Sorry, mbadde nakyembaliriza wano. Yeah, mbadde ngamba. Moving forward, I feel like I need to give you a little backdrop on some things, because natandika okusooka experiencing ebintu by'okunvuma mu 2015, must have been 2015. Yeah, 2015. Tukola campaign ya Tubonga Nawe. And that time was the first time when I saw okulaba abantu nga bayinza okuvuma ekigambo noga bwekitegeera nga tusakiisa mukama wako naye olinga akyogera. Like people were really, really angry and vile. But waliwo ekintu kyenzize ndaba, unfortunately nga kikwatagana ne mukwano gwange Bobby. Bwe natandika okulaba ebintu ebyo nasookanga ne ignoring. Kasibitwala serious nga abaana nabo, like, because omuntu gwe banvumiranga batandika okunvuma nga bampita traitor. As far as Bobby is concerned, when he started his campaigns and when he joined politics, they used to call me traitor. And honestly, nga sikitegeera nga abantu bano lwaki bampita traitor. Nene sikitwala serious nga kijja kuyita. Kati Bobby twakula fenna. Twakulira Kamocha. He grew up in Kamocha. Then nze nakulira twali awo just opposite. Waliwo flats awo, KCC flats. That's where we grew up. So, I didn't see him much more Oktoberfest, but as time went on, as we grew up and started music, obviously we met. Sagala kugenda into detail because bijja kuwangwa. But how do we meet? We meet at Capitol. He came, he had brought a song, I think, to promote a song. I was working on the radio at the time. Nali ntanso yimba, naye nali nina problem yimba ndozanga ssatu. You know, ku radio, banga beat. Tezaali nyingi. Nga naye atandika. So we meet and he's like, hey, Gwe, by the way, Nina, this song, I have this idea. I want to play it for you, man. Let me know if you like it. So, long story short, we jump into studio, we do Tata Wabana, Netuzako Mama Mbide, which was a song for Mr. Charles Mbide's mom. And things went very well. They went very well because apart from music, twafuka really good friends na Bobby. Bobby afuka nga muganda wange nga bintu bingi nnyo byemwegirako. You know, I was so inspired by he had this thing of, you know, I come from humble beginnings, but I will change my life no matter what, that kind of thing. And so I learned so much from him. Twice and been during those tours, a promoter, like I learned how to handle so many situations from him. So I give him so much credit. So Bobby and I have been really good friends for that long. So we've been friends for that long, right? When he joined politics, I was there. Yanyumiza ngabagenda okugenda mu politics, and I was shocked, but I was also like, I had a lot of respect for him for, you know, like going down the road, because we all know politics is not a simple thing. Some people can handle it, some of us do not have the skin for it, so I respect anyone who gets into it. So when he told me, I was really shocked. Nene Mugamba, you know what? I'm proud of you. I really wish you well. I hope everything goes well for you. I hope you find your success, you know, in your new journey. Nemusanyukira nnyo bambi. Naagenda natandika ebintu bye. Nange ne nsigala nga nnyimba byange. Unfortunately, naafuna obuzibu the first time he got problems. When he got arrested. We were all concerned for him. Nakubanga AMASIIMU buli saawa nga bwe mbasobola okufuna Bwababbi nkubira Eddie yawe, because fena twali tweralikirira, especially his friends. Nammwe abamwagala bafaani be, you know, I know you are all concerned. Kino nkireeta because waliwo omwami, I hope I don't want to pronounce your name badly. Mordecai. I think Mordecai on Twitter. Mordecai, you made a point no gama nti mukwano gwo yafuna ebizibu, you were not there for him. I was there for him. I was just as concerned as you guys were. Twalinga tumusabira. Era nze omu ku bayimbi abasooka ewaabwe e Magere.